This machine, CNC knife cutting machine, with the camera and the projector. This is the material. Here is the flow. Okay, open the software and take the photo for the material. Okay, here is the flow. OK， 导入裁片OK， import the cutting file OK， 行，在里边行，这直接拍了就行。OK， now nesting. The software will automatically to nest the file for the pattern, for the material. Okay. Stop. And okay. Open the project. Yeah. Here's the flow path. The flow path. Okay. Send the cutting file to the machine control software. Okay. Okay.直接切割就行哈。Okay, start to cut.